Electric motor, it makes things spin or move when power is turned on. Transistor NPN, it acts like a switch to turn the motor on or off using a small signal. Today, we're going to make a fun program called motor control. In this project, we will use a program to turn a motor on and off automatically, just like a machine that works by itself. Here's how it works. The motor turns on for a short time, then turns off. This action repeats several times, allowing you to clearly observe how the program works step by step. Now, focus on the red circles you see on the screen. You can change the numbers in the program to make the motor run longer or repeat more times. Through this activity, you will learn how a program controls a motor and how value changes make the motor move differently. Now, let's start coding and see how the motor works.